Are you a housewife who sews with needle and thread? Do you want to make quality clothes for your family? Then you need a Singer sewing machine, made by Mr. Isaac Singer.
Normally, a hand sewer sews 40 to 50 stitches per minute.
Look at how easy this one breaks.
But on the Singer sewing machine, you sew 900 stitches per minute.
As you can see, we didn't compromise speed for quality. Look at how strong the one with the sewing machine is. Can't rip it. You can even do it blindfolded. It's as easy as that.
You can even make this beautiful thing with my Singer sewing machine. You can even sew sweaters for this little puppy. See, look how bad the house sewing machine is.
Mine does zigzags though.
It makes a clicking sound. And stops.
Buy this with this special offer for 2 easy payments of $5. Get this beautiful Singer sewing machine.
Act now and you'll get all of this for free, and the first 15 callers will get free shipping.
Three, two, one.
Are you a housewife who sews with needle and thread? Oh, sorry, I forgot.
3,
I put the flash on and I wasn't ready for it.
okay, 3, 2, 1.
Are you a housewife who sews with the needle and thread?
Why did it work?
2, 1.
Coco, look at this. Okay, Coco.
A fully serviceable Singer sewing machine
Are we ready?
can be worth up to $400. Buy all this right now for 2 easy. Oh, sorry.
Wait, we can't show this stuff first. And don't buy Elias Howe's sewing machines. His only does zigzags.
Okay, I swear I suck at this because what even is this?
You didn't put the
Okay. Put the foot down. Yeah.
hold the threads. Okay, go.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't buy Elias Howe's sewing machines. His only
Why
sews
isn't it
zigzags.
working?
Georgia!
I'm really trying.
Maybe he can't be growling in the background. Okay, ready?
Yes.
This is a professional setting.
Why is it?
You break my freaking sewing
I
machine.
didn't break it.
She broke it.